So hi guys, this is Lokesh. So today we are going to continue the HTML lesson which we have left yesterday. So prepare my screen. Okay. Now is it okay? Okay. இந்த ஸ்க்ரீனை என்கிட்ட ஒரு இன்ஃபனைட் டைம் வரானே. லேட்டஸ்ட் என்ன அப்கமிங் இப்போ ஒன்றும் லைவ் போயிட்டுருக்கு. ஓகே, நான் இங்கே போனேன். என்ன ஆகுது? ஓகே, அப்புறம் ஃபைன். So let us start, guys. Where is the responsible design? So we are at the 25th step. So this says to what is it? You've done it already, right? So using this emphasis element, we can bold the characters. So it has an opening tag and a closing tag. So you can see at the output, it has been emphasized. Okay. Up and so okay, I've given a space here. And fine. Okay, by the power of gray skull, what does that mean? Okay, so He-Man, man. Okay. Power of gray skull. Oh man. So for all the He-Man fans, it was a nostalgic memory. He-Man பார்த்திருக்கியா? அதான். He-Man தெரியாதா? அடா. Iwabirigati, Sword, He-Man, சுட்டுட்டியில் போடுவாங்கடா. By the power of Grayskull.
இவன் வந்தா நான் சேனல் மாத்துறோம்.
Hey! It was a great cartoon, man. Okay, now we are at the step number 26. So after the figure element, add another H element with text. Okay, easy. So we're gonna create another heading. Top 3 things cat hate. Okay, fine, completed it. So next we need to create an order list. Okay, so what is the difference between unordered and order? Let us see. A similar to an but the list items are okay, just displays the number. So after the second section, elements last section. Okay, fine, easy. We're just gonna create an order list. Okay, control. No. Okay, we need to list those things too. Listings, free treatment. Okay. I'll just copy this. And other cats, yeah. I too had a cat in my home. Yeah, cat hates other cats. I don't know why. Maybe I had a weaker cat in my house. It was always eaten by another stronger cat. Eventually, it ran away. Very cool. Okay. Okay. We got a donation at way before. No distractions. We should go faster. This is a grizzly bear, right? Okay, have anyone watched We Bear Bears? We Bear Bears. That panda looks similar to this grizzly bear. Is it still running? We Bear Bears. Okay, fine. Oh, it has ended in 2019. Fine. It was actually, I used to watch this in 9th or 10th grade. They used to stream this in Cartoon Network from 4:30, I guess. This is good. Yeah. Okay. 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 Yeah, I'll be in the step 28. After the order list, add another figure. Okay, fine. Easy. So, okay. Okay, what does this figure element do actually? I forgot it. Okay, let me have a recap then. Okay, this main elements, just list out the main things. I guess, yeah. The section, I think section is for our purpose to identify different sections. So in this first section, we have the photo of the cat, heading, then okay, see more cat photos. Okay, anchored, cool. Okay, fine. So what does this do? Okay. We'll add a figure element. Helm Wrap 9 engage. What does that mean? Oh, Captain Picard.
அட பாவி
Huh?
இல்லன்னு முடிஞ்சுட்டான்.
Ah, okay, guys, there was a disaster in cooking. So yeah, we are saying what does it mean for Helm Wrap 9 engage? So who does? Okay, who's this? Captain Picard. Who's this guy? Mm-hmm. I'll skip the sign. I don't have a premium. But yeah, I'll skip that. Hmm. I just paid the YouTube, bro. Okay. So I think it's an iconic scene, but I don't know what's the context of the scene. So first, let me understand the meaning of helm. Okay, what does it mean? Helm. Okay, a lever or wheel control. Okay, it's a steering kind of thing, I guess. What? Okay, okay. Call me the captain, he said. I guess. Helm warp 9. What does it mean for warp 9? Maybe number. I don't know. Cool. Basically, he said to operate the steering. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, inside the figure, you just add the. Okay, fine. I will add an image element with the source attribute set to this link. Cool. Um, Fine. So this is an self-closing tag, so we don't need an closing tag. Fine. So terminated. Okay, cool. To improve the accessibility of you need an okay, fine. So this alt attribute is basically when the image fails to load, this text pops up. We have seen in many websites, right? Cool. Okay. We're out of site. Fine. On the after the last line, identify caption with the text "cat hate other cats." So okay, what does that fake caption mean? Okay, this guy. Okay, fine. We need to have an eye on the output as well. Okay, cool. So we do fig caption. So this is the caption of the figure. Okay, fine. So copy the sentence, paste this. Okay, cool. Fig caption. Okay, easy. So did I on the mic? Yeah, fine. The strong element is used to okay. Now we get into bold. We have seen the italic thing. Now we just put in the strong. And so, okay, cool, cool. That's the way it's done. Yeah, buddy. So, okay, let us have a quick recap. So we have a heading one, that is a main heading, cat photo app. Then we had created a section. Under the section, so these are the things that comes under the section. So a heading has two. Then we have a paragraph element. Then we have anchored this cat photos with a link. So we will sandwich it right between it, right? Yeah, fine. Then we have a cat image. Actually, yeah, it also has a anchor element. Then this section ends. Then we created another heading element, cat list. Then things cat love. So this comes under the unordered list. Okay. So we have basically created an unordered list. So in under the unordered list we have these three things. So we're using li list, I guess. Command, we have printed this guys. Then yeah, we also have a figure with a caption with emphasis element. This is done by image source. Okay, fine, cool. Okay, then we have top three things, cat head, which is in the comes under the order list. Okay, then we have this image again. Cool, fine, everything's done. Oh, okay, we need to create a new section. Fine, cool. Create a new section. Fine. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Da-da-da-da. Okay, we have completed creating another section. Okay, fine. You did it. Yeah. So just a minute, guys. Okay, just okay, fine. I think my face is not visible. Okay. Hello. Fine. I just chatted from my own account. Okay, cool. I feel lonely, guys. Oh, like talking to an empty screen, this feels kind of weird. Hope we will have more friends in the upcoming days. Okay, cool. To the nines. What does that mean? To the nines. To the nines. Okay, to create, to great, or oh, fine. To a nine. To the nines. Okay. To great or elaborate. Okay. Um, okay, perfection. Okay, fine. To the nines means perfection. Dress to the nine. Okay, it's actually. Oh man, then I think I can compliment woman, but no one talks to me. Fine. I think this would be useful for some other guys. Just give us a compliment to maybe an old woman. Shoot, I could maybe start a convo with this. Maybe she might not know what does to the nines mean. And just building a convo from that. People build convo from anything random. Okay. Okay, now we have a new element form. Okay, what does that do? Okay, we have cat form. Okay, we're gonna add a form element. Cool. Ludicrous speed. What that mean? I'm just learning English from this. Cool, bro. Appreciation to Free Code Camp. Oh, we have another meme. Is who is the creator of this course, man? This is so good, beginner friendly, and also have some great meme. Oh, again, it's faster than light. We also seen FTL kind of thing, right? Faster than speed networks. Okay, low precious speed. Cool. Okay, fine. So now I think we're gonna create a form. Okay, good. It's good. Okay, the action attribute indicates where the okay, fine. Okay, so in the example action, okay, now we need to create a action attribute. I think this, whatever the user gives as the answer for the questions which I've asked, would be stored in this link, and they will care. Okay, cool, fine. That's it, right? Yeah. Yeah, another cast. The input elements allows you to okay, so allows to collect data from the web form like image elements, input elements or void elements. Okay, so we had image attribute with a self closing tag. Now we have input attribute with a so it's not also a void element. Okay, cool. Nested input element in the form. Okay, input. What does that do? Okay, it is used to collect the data from the user. So now I have included a input. Okay, why are we getting the same compliment now? Man, actually doing this for the compliments, feels good. There are many kind of inputs you can create using the type attribute. You can easily create a password field, reset button, or a control to it. Okay, fine. Create a text field to get okay. Type attribute with the value text to the input. Okay, we are gonna add type attribute the value text. I think should come in the same line. Type attribute uh, type is equal to text or maybe I guess so. No. Your form should only comment okay. Should contain the input element. Remove any action. Okay. I guess type. So let me see in the output. What does that say? Type text. Okay. No, this should not be the case. Create a text field to get a text input from a user called the type attribute is the value text to the input element. Type attribute is this. So it must contain the value text. Cool. So what does that do? I close that. Nothing happens in the output. Hmm. Cool. Okay. Maybe should I do this? What would possibly make this work? Uh, does this have a closing tag? No. So I'm stuck here. What the fuck? Okay, we need some help here. Okay, create text field to get a text input. Okay, cool. I think we don't need to create like this. We just set type is equal to value. I think that would do the magic here. Possibly. No, I didn't get anything in the output to input type. Oh, sorry. I must have text here, right? Sorry. Cool. Okay. Fine. I'm unstoppable. Just had a hard time after solving this. Okay. Okay. In order for a form's data to be accessed by the location specified, You must give the text field a name attribute and assign it to the value to represent. Okay. Okay. We need to give a name attribute. So what does that this? What does this do? Okay. Control B. Cool. So man, cool. Okay. Placeholder text is used to give people a hint about what kind of information to enter into an input. Okay. Okay, cool. Okay, fine. Placeholder, I think it would be here, like in the box. And the placeholder text. Okay. We'll create another element. It's a placeholder. And we'll give the value cat photo URL. I think here people upload okay, uploads the photo of the cat maybe. Power up. To prevent a user from submitting a form when required information is missing, you need to add the require. Okay, so this will like make this column must do column. Maybe that star thing we always see on the website. So this is the attribute. Okay, required. What does that? Yeah, here's looking at your code. Okay. The button element is used to create a clickable button. Okay, fine. Add a button element with the text submit below the input element. Okay. The default behavior of clicking a form button without any attributes aren't okay. Okay, we need to. So all these under the single input, man. This thing button element. Okay, clickable button. Add a button element with text. Submit. Oh, below the input. Okay, fine. This is below the input element. Button text submit. Okay, text is equal to submit. I guess. Cool. I don't know. No. Man. Submit. Below the input element. Okay. Maybe button. I guess just submit. Do slash button. Up. Okay, I got it. So this okay, yeah, we got submit here. See, cool. I gotta go fast, yeah, buddy. Even though you added okay, that's below the text input. They appear next to it. That's because okay, even though you added your button below the text input, they appear next to each other. Wait, let me see. Yeah, that's because both input and button elements are inline elements which do not appear on unit. The button you okay. Okay, I will just add type element submit. The crowd goes wild. There's no one watching me, bro. Okay, you can use radio buttons for questions. Okay, okay, one answer. Input. So add a radio button. Okay, type is equal to radio. So okay, So what does that say? Indo. Okay. Indo. Ah, cool. Label elements are used to help associate the text for an input element with the input element itself. What does that mean? Okay. Label element with a radio button. Okay. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Fine. So instead of pointing this button specifically, so now it selects, but just a minute. How do I deselect it? Okay, that doesn't work. Maybe in the further lectures we will learn it. Okay, so what does this basically say is if we add a label element like this, mm, so now if we click anywhere in this window, this will get selected. But without the label element, just a minute, you can't select like, oh, it still select like that. What? Then why are we giving label elements are used to help associate the text for an input element with the input element itself? Okay. Man, okay, cool, something. Maybe should I delete this guy? Oh yeah, if I delete this now, yeah, we can't select. Okay, fine. So the label element will allow us to make this into a single unit, and by clicking on that window, okay. So for whom this is like, who are these assistive? Okay, screen assistive technology like screen readers. Okay, what does this say? Readers, screen readers. Okay, fine. For those guys. Okay, some kind of blind people, I guess. I don't know, man. Okay. Well, hell. The human opening was gold, man. We used to watch just by the power of Grayskull. Ah, I have a meme. Ah man, this cartoon had many memories like He-Man, He-Man. Okay, sorry, He-Man. I had a meme that like, yeah, yeah. Man, this was funny. We will skip the YouTube ad. Aha. This was the classic meme, man. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. It was cool. It was classic. I used to watch him and like it was. It usually streams in the midnight. I guess no, not midnight. Around 12, 9, 10. I guess in cartoon. Sorry, Chitty TV. Fine. Okay, we were in the. This form element is a bit confusing. So we had these guys, these guys, these guys. Those things were fine. Those were good. Now this section where we are having the cat form. How does this come? Form is equal to action. Okay, we need to submit the form. Label input type radio. Okay, fine. Input type is equal to text. Okay, fine. Name is equal to cat for URL placeholder. Okay. Need for speed. The ID attribute is used to identify specific HTML elements. Each ID. Okay. 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 We need to create another input attribute. Yes. No. ID. No. 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 Okay. 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 Sorry. And we need to create an attribute ID inside this guy. ID is equal to Indo. Fine. So what does that do? I don't know what the ID attribute. Okay. Okay. So maybe we will use this later. Okay. We are on 5. Create another radio button below the. Okay. Now we are gonna create another radio button. Cool. Outdoor as the label. Give the radio button ID attribute. Okay. Fine. Now we'll do this label. Then we have the input element. So this is a radio button. The type is radio button. Okay, cool. Now we also need to set the ID to auto. Where do we have the text then? Oh, okay. Where do we have the text then? Yeah. Okay, here we need to give the value auto. Fine. Slash label. Fine. One loop to rule them all. Is it a famous quote or something? From the. Is it a meme? No. What does that mean? Oh, wait a minute. Okay. What does this mean? Okay. Is it one to roll? One loop to roll. What does that say? Just see a video maybe. Loop to roll more. Just a minute. Loop to roll them all. Oh, is it from this movie? Lord of Rings. Yes. I had this book, Lord of Rings. It was a very book, very big book. Uh, I bought it for as a second-hand book, but I never actually read it. The English was too old written. Even if it was a new written English language, but I wouldn't read that. It was so big, bro. The text was very small. Okay. Just listen to this. Mm, on just from the interview. Lot of things. So it was from movie interview from Lord of Rings. Is there a movie for Lord of Rings? I think yeah, they have Lord of Rings movie. Yes, yeah. Should I watch movie or the book? I should read a book. What should I do? That book. Okay, so trilogy. Okay, fine. Trilogy. 2002. So what is IMDb rating? Mhm. Okay, let us get back to work. It was a bit of distraction. Okay, okay, fine. Okay, there is another distraction. We have supporter, the grizzly bear. As for donations, I would donate for them as soon as I read some subscribers. Maybe I will donate. Since they are doing it for free, it's a very great salute for them. It's not easy, right? Everybody wants to earn more, but these guys think, okay, fine. I'm very like I have no words to say about free code camp. They are providing excellent content in YouTube too. Free code camp, as you see, I can't sponsor them, so this is not a sponsored video. So yeah, all quality content all around. They just give some Python 4 hours, all the CS related courses. I think are they into other fields too? Let me just check. Okay, okay, yeah, it's just about coding, free code camp. Okay, yeah, pretty much a wonderful platform to learn for. Okay, now let us get back to step number 48. Cool. Um. Okay. One. Okay. Okay. We need to have name attributes. What does that do? I forgot it. Just give the name, maybe. Okay. Auto. I didn't copy the R. Plus ultra. Fine. What is the next challenge? Okay. If you select the indoor radio button and submit the form, The database of the button is based on names and origins. Okay, value is equal to indo, and I don't know why are we exactly doing this. Value is equal to indo. Let me see in the output side. Do we get some? No. So, so these guys are also in line or what? I need to make this in another line, right? Maybe creating another section will do the things. I don't know. Okay, I should have value outdoor. Okay, fine. Cool, bro. Outdoor. Fine. Boom shaka laka laka boom shaka laka laka boom shaka laka laka boom boom shaka laka. So this is a song, okay? Boom shaka laka. Bro, I have defeated YouTube. So this is the new video, I guess. Uh, do we have the older version? Mhm. Fine, we don't have it. Go. Boom shakalaka shaka boom boom shakalaka. Okay, so I will just copy this and ask to ChatGPT. What does this mean? ChatGPT. No. The news of AI being dominant in the society. I don't think AI will ever beat humans. Mm, maybe in the computational part, yes, but not in the jobs. Maybe it would just comfort the life of humans, but there should always be human um, thinking. Humans think differently, but AI can think differently too. But let's see. Wait and watch what's gonna happen. Okay, code snippet. Okay, this creates a radio button input ID with the ID indoor which belongs to a group name attribute. Radio button is okay. Cool. I got a bit of knowledge from that. Then we have the field set element is to group related inputs and label together in a web form. Okay, fine. So now I think yeah, I have already mentioned. I think some sort of section type of attribute should make this two guys and a club into one under one heading. Now this is done by field set. So we will add a field set element. Okay. What does this say? Field set. Do this all day. Do this all night. That what she said. Hmm. The legend element acts as a caption for the context in the field set. Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. What does this legend element do? legend. Okay, I'll just so what does this do? Okay, fine. So can't we do a heading element here? H3 maybe. Okay, 3. Yeah, heading element looks better than legend element, I guess. Okay, fine. Maybe they just want us to learn a new attribute. Okay, I'll just replace it. Legend. Fine. Oh, over the top. Next, you are going to add some new form. Okay, again we need another input attribute under another field set element. Okay, cool. We'll create a field set element. Okay, and input element. Fine. So, fine. This just say to do the same thing which we did for the previous thing. Legend element. Here, what's a cat's personality? Okay, now we are moving into a new topic. Checkboxes. Okay. So under the legend element, you just add a input type attribute checks. Okay, fine. Fine. We just need to add an input attribute with the type equal to checkbox. Same procedures, but well, and this is the value. So directly to the right of the checkbox. Fine, yeah. Allowing- Fine. We just need a space there. Add an ID attribute. Okay. What does this ID attribute do? ChatGPT. Okay. What does this ID attribute do? Mm-hmm. Uniqueness, JavaScript, interaction. Okay. So it is used in JS, I guess. Mm-hmm. Fine. So much of its use comes in styling and JSS. Fine. Okay. They should mention it here. Maybe that would be better. Hyper combo finish. What does that mean? Okay, it's a combo in a game. We also have forum for this. Okay. Mhm. Fine. We are into the final 13 steps. Fine. There is another way to associate an input element text with the element itself. Okay. Okay, good. So we will have a label element for attribute set to line. Okay. Mm, okay, let me ask this to ChatGPT. Label. Good. Done. You're a wizard, Harry. Another input element. ID is lazy. Type checkbox. Some auditing. Add a final checkbox after place one with the ID attribute of energetic. Okay, just copy this. Energetic. Okay, we need to add a value attribute for all these checkboxes. Same as line. Change. Current it up to 11. The footer element. Okay, define. Okay, we'll add a footer element. Paragraph. Free code camp also knows about anime. Thunder beating first form. Demon Slayer fans. Dun, 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 dun. ஜெய சண்டே ஞாபகம் இருக்கா அவனா இவனை ஞாபகம் இருக்கான்றான் சரியான கேரக்டர் ஒன் ஆஃப் தி கிரேட்டஸ்ட் கேரக்டர்
ஸ்ட்ரீம்ல இருப்பா
இது வந்து ஆக்சுவலாக ஹி வாஸ் ஸ்லீப்பிங் ப்ரோ ஸ்லீப்பிங்கே ஹி வில் ஃபைட் நீ சொன்ன அந்த குழந்தை அப்படியே வாழை வீசிட்டு அப்படியே தூங்குன அந்த இது பக்காவா அப்பயும் நான் யோசிச்சு ஒண்ணு குடுத்துருக்கேன். நான் போய் அந்த டீமன் ஸ்லேயர் ஓப்பனிங் பண்ண போறேன். டீமன் ஸ்லேயர் ஓப்பனிங். அவ்வளோதான். சுசுமே. 5 வருஷம் ஆயிடுச்சாடா? இட்ஸ் பீன் 5 இயர்ஸா? Turn on the existing. Okay, okay, fine. Legend waiting with daddy. Okay, now we have the header. Header. Sorry, header. Check title, title, can photo app. Even sad panda smiles. Okay. Language is English. Okay. Okay. Type HTML. have completed the first design of our web page. Dun, dun, dun. Fine. That's it, guys. Bye.